Okay guys, I am at Leverkusen Miti train station right now. If you are here new and if you don't know how to use the ticket or the ticket would, so let me make your life simple. You come over here, okay, and you press this English, and here you say you are at Leverkusen Miti. Where you have to go? You say you click here, and you have to go to Düsseldorf Central Station. You click this Düsseldorf HBF. So once you click here, it will say the next train is 11:45. What time is it right now? It's almost 45 is about to, like 3-4 minutes left. You select this 11:45 one, and you say you have to do single ticket and you have to pay this total 5.3. So here you insert coins, and here you insert, there down there you insert note, currency note and coins. And once you pay this, you click pay, and the ticket will come from down there, and you can go. But one thing, please, most important, you should note, if you have a currency more than 20 euro, it will not accept. So make sure you have paper currency, maximum 20 denomination, not more than that. Okay, so have a safe trip, and this was me, Hassan Yusuf, making your life simple to get the train ticket. Thank you.